Hi, I'm Janelle Borst. I teach Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, College Algebra, and Calculus at Lincoln Senior High School in the small town of Lincoln. It's a small 2A school in the middle of Kansas. As far as my technology strengths and weaknesses go, I feel like I know how to use a wide variety of technology, but I'm not sure how to integrate it into my math classroom. The digital tools that I have access to in my classroom are a Promethean board and an iPad. Also, the students are one-to-one with laptops, but are very reluctant when asked to use the technology. My comfort level with Google Apps for Education is medium to low. I have used like Google Forms to give a quiz, but my students still prefer paper pencil. I would really like to find good Google projects and just ways to use Google Apps and to integrate technology into my classroom in a way that my students will not only tolerate but embrace and enjoy. So I'm looking forward to taking this class and learning and collaborating with everyone. So welcome everyone, and I look forward to working with you all.